One thing that I've learned about a Haitian from France, the parents, they really take the time, the Haitian from France, they took the time to really teach us our culture. And I just want to say thank you to those Haitians who do their job, because when I moved to the United States from France, I know there was a difference. A lot of children who are born in the United States from Haitian parents, they can't really speak Haitian Creole. Because of what? Because their parents really don't take the time to speak to them. And I remember as a child in France, my parents always speaking Haitian Creole to me. Even I answered them in French, but that was my language. When I came back home, I have to cook for my brothers, and I was raised in Haiti, but I have to tell you, baby, because they make sure, they make sure they teach me how to be a little mother, how to be a real Haitian wife, how to be a real Haitian woman. And as I become an adult and I love it, I appreciate it, this make me the woman that I am now. Because a lot of us, we do have identity crisis. Black people internationally have identity crisis. And when you look at in the Bible, Jesus didn't go to say the children in Israel who were born in Egypt, they are Egyptian. He called them Israelian, because God goes by the blood. He doesn't go by where you were born. So it's very important to understand. Haiti was born in you. You weren't born in Haiti, but Haiti was born in you. It's a part of yourself. You can never change. And when you teach that to your children, you really teaching them to appreciate the will them. Because look at those men, they weren't born in Haiti. They were majority of them were born in France, but the French passport doesn't stop them for becoming this Haitian in the vein, this Haitian blood that is in the vein. They were presenting this country that is struggling, but in World Cup, that's a beautiful.